Welcome to the Course Manager Training playlist. In the last video, we learned about importing courses to your site from the ASC Course Settings menu. Now, let's explain how to edit the courses on your site to make them more useful for your audience. Sometimes, you'll want to edit the content of a course page to make it more visually appealing and informative for your audience. You may also want to attach files like syllabi to download, or to give it course terms to make it easier to search. Let's find a course to edit to start. One way is to click the Content tab. Select the Content Type field, choose Course, then use the Filter button. Once we only have our course items showing, we'll just click the Edit button in the Operations column to open the course. Another way to find a course is to type /courses in your browser's URL, hit the Enter key, and it should direct you to your site's course landing page. From here, click a course to open the public-facing view of it, then click the Edit tab above the course title. You'll notice there isn't much content to look at here. We'll add more to this page to make it more useful for your users and more visually appealing. You'll notice the back end of the course looks like other items like basic pages, since it has a title menu, a main description field, and an advanced layout section to add different kinds of content. Unique to course pages are the credit hours, course number, and subject abbreviation fields. There are also checkboxes for taxonomy terms called course terms. There's a default set of checkboxes to categorize the class by autumn, spring, and summer semesters. Below them are the course term lists. If you have course terms in your lists, you can customize the course further by using them. Course terms make it easier to find courses on the course landing page, since the course terms work as filters on the page. When editing a course, you should avoid making changes to the description field. This information comes from the SIS database, and future imports could erase what you've entered here, so it's best to leave this area alone. So let's move on to the additional information field. This area is where you want to provide the most content for your course. The content here should supplement the information in the description field. Whereas the description field is concise, the additional information field is where you want to provide the most details possible. I prepared some content for this section, so I'll paste it into the field and format it before moving on. You'll notice the advanced layout section below this field. This is where we can add elements like accordions, call-out boxes, or media files to the course. For this course, let's leave the credit hours, course number, and abbreviation alone. It's best to leave these areas alone, since these areas are imported from the SIS database. Let's add a course term. Let's check the spring checkbox and the term A box below it. This course is currently unpublished, which means the public won't see it until you check the Page Published box to make it visible. You'll notice a page is unpublished if there's a pink background on it. Once we're done, we'll save and review the changes to the course. You can see that the course is much easier to navigate, has more information to offer your visitors, and is searchable in the course landing page using its new course terms as filters. And that's how you edit a course. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we'll cover how to create a course on the website.